Welcome back to the 30-day nature connection practice. Today's practice is called ocean breath. So the invitation today is again to notice your breathing. Breathing is such a great way to connect with nature that we do this a fair amount. It's a living, natural process inside of you and really evidence of yourself as nature, as well as we've mentioned, as connecting you with the surrounding trees and plants and the rest of the world. You're exchanging molecules with one another. So today we're back to a bit of visualization again, this time visualizing the ocean and the waves, the sort of ebb and flow of the waves. So it's just visualizing the breath as waves coming and going, just getting a sense of that movement. Maybe also noticing the sounds. So just as you're breathing, in some ways this is your breath connecting you to the ocean. Wherever you are, and here we're quite a long way inland, so not physically close to the ocean, but through your breath you can bring the ocean to you for a bit, bring the sounds of the ocean. In your breathing you might actually want to sort of exaggerate your breathing a little bit to make those sounds a little bit louder. But see how you get on with that one.